This week, we're looking at newly released items from today's sponsor, Anker. Anker is one of the top mobile charging brands and a pioneer in the industry for over 10 years. They make chargers, power banks, power stations, etc., and their audio division, SOUNDCORE by Anker, is crafting some amazing wireless headsets with optimal noise canceling. In this video, we'll take a look at the newly released SOUNDCORE Space Q45 noise canceling headset. I actually started out my production career as a music producer, and I spent a lot of time with music equipment, and I noticed that even though some things are very expensive, it doesn't always mean that they're the best quality. Especially some of these more established names in the game, they're gonna sell their products no matter what at this point. They use aggressive advertising techniques. They're gonna get the product out there, and they've had years of sales that will back them up. So they don't focus on quality as much anymore. I'm not saying all big companies do this, but it is something that you can see happening very frequently. The Space Q45 headset is the predecessor to the previous Life series. This new edition cancels up to 98% of noise and has ultra long-lasting battery life. You can use the SOUNDCORE app with this headset with Android devices. Download the latest version for best experience, add new headsets, set up your new devices, download latest updates for your equipment and more right from your phone or tablet. I always really like this feature because there's a lot they can do to improve the quality of sound and capabilities of this headset over time just through firmware updates, so it's always a great idea to hook up with the app. You can easily connect the app to your phone or device using your Bluetooth menu. With the amazing battery life and noise canceling, you can take some extra personal space with you anywhere you go. You can use the SOUNDCORE app to keep the firmware on the Space Q45 always updated to give you the best experience. We had no problems connecting the headset to various devices without using the app as well. This SGS certified noise canceling headset has ultra wide 3-stage noise blocking technology that blocks out low, mid, and high frequencies with amazing accuracy. This adaptive noise canceling tech can select the ideal mode whether indoors, commute, or on a flight. Not only does the headset stand its own with noise canceling, it also is an industry leader in playtime, getting 50 hours of play in ANC mode and 65 hours of play in standard mode. This ranks among the longest lasting batteries of all ANC headsets on the market. This is nearly twice as long as the average competitor's playtime in the industry. This setup is the first to adapt the dual diaphragm structure in the headphones, 40mm silk diaphragm plus the metal ceramic diaphragm to reproduce the low, mid-frequency sound balance. Make sure your device is fully updated to use the LDAC feature. This time, the SOUNDCORE app is only for Android. The balanced design is built for comfort and harmony. Aluminum alloy hinges and seamless sliding design make fitting the Q45 in your head comfortable and easy. Ultra soft ear cups on this refined design help to ensure the level of comfort is superior. When comparing the SOUNDCORE Space Q45 to other flagship models available, you can see this headset not only holds its own among the best, but also comes with an amazing price that's hard to beat. Companies like Sony and Bose certainly have some competition. I, for one, am happy to be able to try these out, and I can definitely recommend them as a very great price-to-ratio product. Okay, so what's my personal opinion on Anker and their headsets and SOUNDCORE? I worked with the parent company Anker for many years, and they always seem to deliver with a pretty reasonable product. We've reviewed many of the chargers from Anker, and they're unbelievably fast. We'll take a look at the new GAN Prime lineup soon here on the channel. It doesn't surprise me that SOUNDCORE by Anker is delivering some amazing headsets. After trying out this headset for a couple weeks, I really noticed just how good the noise canceling is on these. There's a button on the headset, you can press it on and off, and it's like night and day. In the city, it's often loud, so it's nice to have these when I need a little bit of peace and quiet to help me concentrate. I personally really like the visual design these have. They have a nice professional and clean look. They look good no matter what colors you're wearing, and even though the design isn't shouting for attention, it does really look good when you look close. At the end of the day, for me, comfort is huge when it comes to a headset. I paid hundreds for headsets that hurt my head, even wearing them for a short time. I'm not gonna name any names, but you know some of these headsets with these popular names, you're basically buying the name these days. They're just not holding up to the quality. This headset that I got here is super comfortable. I had no issues with it bothering my ears or causing any discomfort, even when I was wearing a hat. So I can definitely recommend this if you have issues with headsets bothering your ears or your head in any way. Check out the description of the video or the comments for the latest prices and discounts. Thank you for checking out the video, and I hope it helps you out with your purchases. If If it did help you out, please drop a like and comment to help my channel for free. Subscribe if you want to stay updated on new videos. Stay tuned, we got more coming your way.